If you're a marketer, freelancer, or business owner looking to speed up your content creation, you've probably heard the name Copy.ai. But is it really the best AI tool for copywriting this year? Today, I'm breaking down its features, strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and whether it's worth your money. Stay tuned because the answer might surprise you. Copy.ai is designed to take short prompts and turn them into full-length content in seconds. Whether you need emails, ad copy, blog posts, product descriptions, or even long multi-step outreach sequences, Copy.ai promises to do it all with the minimal effort on your end. One of the first things you'll notice is the clean, simple dashboard. Even if you're new to AI tools, the interface feels smooth and beginner-friendly. You get a large library of templates like cold outreach emails, product copy, social captions, perfect for anyone who wants structured guidance. And if you prefer a more conversational approach, Copy.ai also offers a chatbot-style writing mode. You can talk to it, refine ideas, adjust tone, and request edits just like you would with a real assistant. But the standout feature in 2025 is definitely workflows. This lets you automate multi-step content creation in one click. For example, you can enter a keyword, turn that into an article outline, expand it into a full article, and then generate social posts and email sequences, all from that same source material. For teams, Copy.ai even supports collaboration, so you can share drafts, comment, and get approvals right on the platform. Now, let's talk pricing. Copy.ai still offers a free plan, but with limited generation credits. The real power comes with the paid plans starting at $49 per month. It's priced more for marketers and businesses who need automation, scalability, and bulk content, not casual users looking for the cheapest option. So, is Copy.ai the best tool for copywriting? Here's the verdict. If you want speed, marketing style copy, automation, and a clean workflow, Copy.ai is definitely one of the strongest choices this year. But if you're aiming for deeply researched, long-form writing, you'll still need human editing because AI outputs can be generic or miss accuracy. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I'll be reviewing more AI writing, SEO, and productivity tools throughout. And if you've used Copy.ai before, drop your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.